So, good morning. This is reintroducing Phyllis to the farm. Now, we have managed to separate the majority of the boys from the field, and this is mainly just the mums and the lambs now in here. So hopefully this little one here, Phyllis, will integrate with these lot, which I'm hoping she will. She's been a little bit weary at first. So, little Phyllis. Some of the mums. Hoping that she starts introducing herself to them. And we shall see how it goes. At the moment she's sat behind my back. I'm hoping that these will slowly introduce themselves to her. These lot are all going under the tree again, where it's nice and cool. So hopefully she'll introduce herself to them.
She
So, this is the ones that we have managed to transfer over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now some of these are the ones that, vast majority of these are the ones that will be going to market. They're the big boys. So yeah, there's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 in this field. Yeah, 16 in this field. That'll help keep the grass down for a bit. We'll feed these ones in the field. Well, they won't get fed for a long time in here, but they're happy. The girls, majority of the girls, the mums, the ewes, are still with the flock. There is, I think, 1 or 2 of them in here that aren't, but they're older ewes with the older lambs, so that should be okay. It shouldn't be a problem because they are meant to be separated from the mother. That will also give some ease of strength to the grass growing in the other 3 fields out the front, because obviously we've reduced the flock out there. So, a bit of a palaver today. We managed to get what we could done, transferred over, but with the Sawyer sheep, they're very much they go where they want to go, and that is it. Even with sheepdogs, you can't really hurt these sheep. So yeah, we've got a vast majority of them over, which is good. The others will be okay. There's still a big number of them together as well. So yeah, Bono's being fed, Murphy's being fed, sheep have been fed. Majority of the boys are in these 2 fields now with the grass, so they'll be fattening up ready for market. So yeah, all good. So thanks for watching, and we shall see you all tomorrow.